Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are enjoying summer camp activities. Here I am again in front of you with one more activity. Today I will let you know how to improve your reading skill. How can you improve your reading skill at this very young age? Dear student, reading is an important skill in your life. If your reading will be strong and your understanding will automatically be very strong. Reading, dear student, reading is an essential component of child's learning and development. Now here I am going to tell you what are the different tips you can employ to improve your reading skill. Dear student, here are different tips I am going to explain you one by one. First is at class 1. You can use these small tips in your life. With this you can improve your reading skill in a better way. First is read short vowel sounds. So dear students, as you have done activity make words with vowels and make words with consonants, you can read short vowel sounds. Short vowel sound means you can use one vowel in making words and then you can read them. Now next is read long vowel sounds. Long vowel sound means कि you can make words by using, you can read words by using 2 or 3 vowel sounds. Like for example, the word is orange. In orange word, O-R-A-N-G, here are 3 vowels. With this way you can improve your reading skill by reading short vowel sounds and by reading long vowel sounds. Next is read consonants blend words like BL, BR, CL, CR, etc. So dear students, you all have done activity already, make words with consonant blends, wherein I taught you that make blend words like BL. You can read words and make on your own blend words with BL like BLOW. With this you can make new words and also read them. If you are trying to make words on your own, then you are capable of reading it. Then you can make words with BR, CL, CR, etc. With this activity, with this blend words activity, if you are doing it, then your reading will also be very strong. Next activity is unscramble the words and sentences. Dear students, unscramble the words. Unscramble the words means jumble words. You can read jumble words and you can unjumble them and you can make a proper word, you can make a correct word. With this activity, you can also improve your reading skill. After that, unscramble the sentences. Now unscramble the sentences like a cat is this. This is not a proper sentence. So then you can make it proper sentence. This is a cat. Next is make short sentences. Now in class 1, you can make sentences, make very short sentences like of 3 words. Like for example, if I will tell you make a sentence on girl, you can make short sentence I am a girl. Then you will also, when you will read the sentence, it will be in your mind, and with this you can also improve your reading skill. Dear students, reading and writing go equally together. Next is read in small portions. Dear students, read in small portion is the activity. You can read your textbooks. It is not necessary that you will read your textbook, read the complete chapter at one time. It is not necessary. You can divide your chapter in small portions, and with this your reading will also develop in a very good manner. Next is read aloud. When you are reading something, read aloud. जोर जोर से बोलकर उसको रीड करिए. What will happen then? your reading speed will get slower. इससे क्या होगा, आपकी जो reading speed है वो slow हो जाएगी. With this what will happen, you will the image of the word will be in your mind and it will give you more and more practice. Then is recite poems, narrate short stories. Try to read poems of your interest and then recite them. Then narrate short stories. Read stories and then try to narrate them. Then try to speak them. What will happen? It will also improve your reading skill. By doing these small activities, you can improve your reading skill in a great manner. Last is establish a regular reading routine. Dear students, what you have to do? It does not mean that you will read one day, that you will read once in a week or once in a month. No, you have to spend at least half an hour in a day to improve your reading skill. Dear students, by following these small tips, you can improve your reading skill. Dear children, I know it's very difficult for you to inculcate this reading skill, but with a lot of practice, you can improve your reading skill. I know at the initial stage you will find difficulty, but with the continuous efforts you can improve your reading skill in a better way. Thank you.